Now let us see undoing the commits with the git reset command. So this is the local repository, and now if you see the git log, I'm having a bunch of commits. A git log will show you the commit history, and I'm having some bunch of commits. Now let's suppose I want to undo a particular successive top 2 commits. Let's say I want to undo or discard these 2 successive commit IDs. So we can do this with a git log reset git reset hard and the commit ID. I just want to discard these 2. If you discard these 2 commit IDs, this will become the topmost commit ID into the current branch. So a head pointer will point to the topmost commit ID into this current branch. So I want to discard top 2. So this would become the topmost commit ID. So I can give this. So git reset hard and the commit ID will help you discard these 2 commits. Also it will help you undo the changes happened during these commits. And reset hard is a destructive and powerful command. Changes gone will be gone forever. You can't get them back. They'll be removed from the local repository, staging area, as well as the working directory. So let us run this command, and you can see here head is now moved to this particular commit ID. This particular commit ID became the topmost commit in the current branch. That's a reset hard to undo certain commits. There are different types of resets. Reset soft. And let's say now I want to discard these 2 commit IDs. So this becomes the topmost commit ID if I discard these 2. So I can give this. So this becomes the topmost commit ID, git reset soft and the commit ID. So this will discard the changes, and here with a soft reset, changes will be discarded from the local repository, staging area, but you will have your changes in the working directory. Now if you do the status, first let's see the log. You can see these 2 are discarded, only you have this one. Now if you see the status, changes will be there in the working directory. Changes to be committed means changes are there in the working directory. If you again want to get them back, you can add and commit.